When you hear the word IAS, a lot of people get excited. And when you hear the word civil services, IAS, IPS, IFS, it is still a great matter of excitement for so many people, especially parents, school children, college children, graduates. Civil services is always a matter of excitement for the youth in this country. But still people say, this is the most toughest examination in the world. Do you believe that? I would say definitely yes, but that doesn't mean that this whole thing is impossible. Even though it is called as the toughest examination in the world, that doesn't mean that people don't qualify it. Every year thousands of people qualify this service. How do they do it actually? If you have the right foundation, if you have the right guidance, if you have the right direction, qualifying civil service examination is not an impossible task. Why should you join civil services? People say it is the most impossible exam, but still in spite of that, why do you think the youth of this country joins the civil services? And I am reminded by the very famous quote of Spider-Man, which says that with great power comes great responsibility. It's an absolutely true thing when it is coming to civil services. You can see a big chariot. If this whole chariot is India, you can definitely see the wheels in the chariot, the strong big wheels in the chariot. If the strong chariot is India, the wheels which makes the chariot roll is civil service. If you want to be that, definitely, if you dream, you can be that.
So when it comes to the question of why you should join the Indian Civil Services, everybody comes with a cliched answer: serving the nation. But even when you are a doctor, an engineer or a teacher, you are indirectly doing the same. You are serving the nation. But what distinguishes the Indian Civil Services from other professions? We need to think about it. Martin Luther King Jr. once said, "Life's most urgent question is, what are you doing for others?" A single signature, a single decision can transform the lives of millions of people. So every time you dream about the Indian Civil Services exam, do keep in your mind that you are a pioneer of change.
Now you know what is the prestige of being a bureaucrat or a civil servant. You also know the fact that civil service exam is something that you can definitely achieve. So what are you going to do? All that we have to offer is a master foundation course or an MFC to make your civil service preparation more easy. We'll definitely give you the right strategy, the right direction, and the right foundation for you to start preparing for civil services.
So stay tuned for the Master Foundation course. We at LearnStroke not only simplify things, but we make it interestingly simple.